Hey, what's up? My name is John Bromett and welcome to Drawing Skulls. Alright, so thanks for joining me. In this class we are going to be going over drawing realistic skulls, stylized skulls, and downright silly skulls. The idea is that I'm going to show you how to simply draw skulls with proportions correctly and basically kind of make sure everything lines up and that you're drawing a fairly accurate skull. And then from there, because there's so many skulls on the internet and you want your art to stand out, we're going to talk about stylizing it, how changing it, kind of breaking those rules that I showed you. And then we're just going to get downright silly and we're going to draw really crazy skulls, cartoon skulls, completely unrealistic ones. And the idea is that you're going to have the rules, you're going to have the foundation, you're going to know how to properly draw a skull so that it is anatomically correct, and then you're going to know how to break those rules by drawing some really cool skulls that are going to make your artwork stand out so people out there will think that you are an awesome artist. So I hope you check out the class. I think you're going to enjoy it. You do not need any software for this class. I am going to be using a little bit of Photoshop and maybe Illustrator and Procreate, but I can definitely just get away with a pencil and a piece of paper, so it is not a software class as much as it is a creative drawing class. And I just want you to push your creativity and try and make your artwork really unique and fun and not worry too much about learning how to use a specific tool. So that's it. That's what this class is about. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, so please click enroll and we'll see you in a second.